So guys, for the first method, you want to make sure that you did not accidentally click on the num-lock key on your keyboard. If you did, then the light might show up, but it's different for everyone's keyboard. But just make sure that you did not accidentally click on the num-lock key on your keyboard. If you see the num-lock key, press on it and then see if it works. If not, then click on it again and then see if that works. And now for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on accessibility on the left hand side. And then you want to scroll down and then click on mouse. And now on mouse keys, you want to make sure that this is off. So make sure that you turn it off and then see if that works for you. If it was already off when you got to this stage, then you want to turn it on and then turn it off again. And now for the third method, you want to head over to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand keyboards. And then you want to find your keyboard device. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver. And then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure they have the best drivers for your device installed. Also, if your keyboard comes with a software like my one does, I've got the GT13 keyboard, it comes with the G-Up software. You want to click on it, and then click on settings, and then make sure that your firmware is up to date for your software. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, then it's probably broken.